Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you're a Muslim using YouTube, you should know that you can actually control the types of ads that you see. So this is my homepage on YouTube. We can already see two ads. One of them is a car manufacturer and the other one is some type of AI ad. These ads are fine, but there's a lot more types of ads that can appear on YouTube and they can be pretty disturbing. So all you have to do to customize the types of ads that you see is click on the three dots next to any ad and then click customize more of the ads you see. It'll open a page called My Ad Center, and from here you click on the second tab called Customize Ads, and then you can go to Sensitive, and here there's literally a section called Alcohol, another one for dating, and one for gambling. So you just tick those three off, and those are the most important ones for Muslims. Apart from that, there's more you can customize, like pregnancy, parenting, weight loss, and you can even go into brands and specifically target brands that you don't want to see. For example, if you're trying to boycott them or any other reason. And you can also go into specific topics to try and reduce the types of ads that you see. For example, for music and audio, I can click the minus sign here, and I just got a notification that says, got it, you should see fewer ads for this topic. So I hope you've benefited from this. If your kids are using your account, for example, you don't want them to see ads for alcohol, dating, or gambling. So these topics, it's really important to tick them off. I personally just learned about this and I did this instantly because it's really important. So I would suggest you to share this with as many people as you can. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.